Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today's video is just going to be a quick cleanup before we were headed out of town to Disneyland. So I first have to start by saying I am sorry if the voiceover sounds terrible. I have been sick all weekend. We actually just got back the time of doing the voiceover from Disneyland today, and I was super sick in Disneyland and my voice is definitely showing it, but I still wanted to get this video out for you guys, so I figured it's better to have a scratchy voice than no video at all. So today was just about quickly picking up everything before we were out of town so that way we can come home to a clean house. So let's jump right on into it.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Got me all lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat, I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside.
Now, a lot of you did seem to like my Ray Dunn haul, and I wanted to show you guys this. My aunt had bought me a few things for Easter, and this was one of them. It's super cute. It's a Ray Dunn garland that she found, and I am obsessed with it. I haven't figured out where to put it yet, but I'm sure you'll see it in an upcoming video. You'll also notice that certain parts of my house are more decorated than the last video that you saw because she came over and waited for the refrigerator to be delivered, and she had some extra decorations that she had stored away at her house that she brought for me. One thing that I haven't mentioned on here is about a year ago, we did lose everything that we owned in a fire in our home, so I lost everything. So we're completely starting from scratch, and we are so blessed that she was able to have some things to donate to us in order to help us decorate for this holiday.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
So I did just end up washing all the dishes by hand. We knew we were going out of town. I didn't want to deal with a big mess tonight. So we did order out, and it made things so much easier. There wasn't very many dishes. I didn't want dishes sitting in the dishwasher over the weekend. So I went ahead and hand washed everything that was in the sink.
Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
Now, like I said, my aunt had come over and decorated all this, and I thought it was so cute, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I probably won't have it decorate with me up because she did it for me, and it looks amazing, and I am completely in love with it, and once again, so thankful for her because she is amazing. I did go ahead and leave my laptop out so it could charge for the weekend. I was going to try and get some videos up. I was not able to get one up on Saturday, and Sunday's video is very late because I had horrible service, but I had stuff sitting out that needed to be loaded into the car the next morning, and I had donuts that I had gotten for my daughter's birthday, and she ended up not wanting them. So I ended up taking them to work for my coworkers, and they loved it. And that was it. It was 10 o'clock, and I was ready for bed. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls